Welcome you to my channel again. Today we are going to be doing another tutorial and I'm going to be assembling these sink cabinets for my bathroom, and I'll be using the Ikea FULLEN to do this. I'm just unboxing it to show you how it came in the box. The carton contains 2 side boards, 1 U board for the sink, 1 bottom board, 2 brown light boards, and finally 2 doors. I'm explaining this because it's much easier for most of us, so when you get your carton you will know what you'll be expecting. In this bag you're going to find some nails, some tools and other things you will need to put together to fix the boards. So right away, I'm not going to be talking much about this. I'm rather going to be showing you all the things, the steps, and how you need to fix them. And I'll also be adding the manual, like a picture of the manual, so you can see what I used, because in my previous video where I did the IKEA Hermes bed, one of my viewers asked me what nails I used and I couldn't remember them. So in this video I decided to add these details here, so it will be more easier. Even if it's an old video, you can always go back and watch the video to remind you of what nails and tools you need to use.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop.